So welcome to the today's home remedies topic, my dear friends. Today's home remedies topic is 6 mudras for a disease-free life. We want to be disease-free, right? We have many methods. The holistic food is a medicine, right? We have all mudras. Mudras are going to help you to relieve, to come out of, to cure all your diseases. We have also acupressure, the acupressure points, the energy points, which will be activated. So through meridians and energy points will be activated, then you get the proper energy flow. Then also you'll be coming out of a particular disease or a particular ailment, my dear friends. Now, today, as a part of the home remedies, let's look at the 6 mudras for the disease-free life. Okay, you can practice at your home. You don't need anybody's help here. So all the 6 mudras, especially, can be practiced by a healthy person also. For the sake of prevention is better than cure. So for that, in that context, what happens is you can practice these 6 mudras in a daily life. Okay, every day you must practice these 6 mudras in order to keep you or in order to retain your physical health normal way, my dear friends. Physical health properly, you can definitely practice these 6 mudras. What are those 6 mudras? That is Gnana Mudra, Prithvi Mudra, Apana Mudra, Prana Mudra, Dhyana Mudra, Sunya Vayu Mudra. These are the general mudras, my dear friend. These are also called developmental mudras. One can practice anytime, anywhere. There are no restrictions. Already I explained you how to practice a mudra, right? So you have to sit straight, so and then take 3 to 4 breaths, and you have to sit straightly and take 3 to 4 breaths. And then what will happen? You have to practice with the both mudras. So all your hands must be cleaned properly, washed properly. Then should not be any nails here. Nails should not be there. The nails should not be projected out. In order to practice this mudra, that is one of the restrictions, my dear friends. Okay, you can practice after eating or before eating, whenever you are traveling, whenever you are free in the house, you can practice these mudras. Such a simple mudras, my dear friends. Let's start. Let's knowing these mudras also. All the 6 mudras. Let's know and understand each one by one. Gnana mudra. So very simple. You see here. Observe. This is a Gnana mudra. Gently touch. These 3 elements. These 3 will be projected outwards. Only thing is my fire element, my Vayu element. These are touched gently. This you have to do like this. Keep on thighs and start practicing. This is called Gnana mudra. Okay, or Chin mudra. You can call it as a Chin mudra also. So this is one of the general mudra. You can practice minimum 10 minutes in a day, any point of time, any place also you can practice this. Next comes to Prithvi mudra. Friends, what is Prithvi mudra? So here Prithvi is this one, earth element. Just gently touch here. That's all. Right? So this is the Prithvi mudra. Do like this. This is Prithvi mudra. Practice for 10 minutes minimum. What are the benefits of each mudra? I'm going to explain you now shortly. Now, Apana mudra. Friends, Apana mudra means what? So middle 2 fingers. That is space element and Prithvi element. So these 2 things gently touch the fire element. Now you see here, this is called Apana mudra. Okay, Apana mudra. Try understanding this. Okay, now Prana mudra. What is Prana mudra, friends? These 2 are the elements. That is Prithvi element and Vayu element or Varuna element, right? So these 2 will be touched like this, and this is the Prana mudra. Gently touching, no pressure at all. Pressure should not be applied. Right. So next comes to Dhyana mudra, my dear friends. Dhyana mudra means, so likewise you have to keep one palm and other palm and touch the both thumbs. Touch like this. Then keep on the thighs and start practicing. So like this. So this is called Dhyana mudra. For the benefit of this Dhyana mudra is the name itself indicates. So in the form of Dhyana, when you are sitting in Dhyana, you can practice this. But in our Anapanasati, there's a separate portion that you have to follow anyway. Now, Sunya Vayu Mudra. What is Sunya Vayu Mudra? See here, take like this. So this is the thumb and the base of thumb. So what happened? Base of the thumb, these both fingers must bend and touch the base of thumb. Other 2 fingers straight forward. Next, again, this thumb will be slowly placing on the back of your middle finger. Okay, like this. This is called the Sunya Vayu Mudra, my dear friends. Sunya Vayu Mudra. Okay. So now these 6 mudras are over now. So let's understand what is the benefit. Now, friends, what happens is Gnana Mudra. When you perform the Gnana Mudra, what happens? So you will get a lot of brain power and you get a lot of wisdom, especially students. high memory power, concentration, focus will be tremendous, my dear friends. And peace of mind, okay, peace of mind will happen. So that's called Jnana Mudra. The name itself indicates you get lot of jnana, lot of wisdom you will get. Okay, whenever some students and all right, whenever they are studying, just put this mudra and listen to the speech. Even now, when you're listening to me, keeping this mudra, if you listen, so you'll get the right reception of the content will happen. So right reception will happen to you. So this mudra you can keep like this and practice. You can keep listening to me, whatever I'm speaking. Similarly, in the class also, students can put this mudra and go through the entire class. Wonderful concentration, wonderful memory power will come. Please advise your own, your children from today onwards. You advise this to put whenever they get time. Even when they are studying, in one hand they are writing, right? Second hand can be like this in this mudra. Second hand can be kept like this. One hand you can use pen and all. They can keep writing. You can also do that. Your children also can do this. Highest advantage, my friend. Now, Prithvi Mudra. So this Prithvi Mudra, if you perform, what will happen is all your five senses, five sense organs, they will be balanced and good blood circulation will happen. Prithvi element. Okay. So Prithvi element basically it belongs to all organs and bones, blood, all these things, which is constructed using the Prithvi element. So that is why it's going to balance out all those things, my dear friends. Good blood circulation will happen if you keep doing every day Prithvi Mudra. Apana Mudra. For good digestion, healthy gums and teeth, for healthy excretion system, elimination of waste and for immunity development. All these things, the great advantage, my dear friends, Apana Mudra, right? So basically, this Apana Mudra itself, let me tell you, this is one of the wonderful mudra for the something called the diabetic patients. So this is going to be wonderful mudra, which will come in the next sessions. I'm going to explain in detail about the Apana Mudra. So don't worry, but as a general mudra, you can keep practicing. Even you are a healthy person also can practice it. Prana Mudra. Friends, Prana Mudra is very, very highly useful mudra. Any kind of a fatigue, you become weak so you want a stamina, you wanted a healthy highs, for all these things. And also, so in future, whatever the mudras we are going to discuss, so those are all called therapeutic mudras. Every therapeutic mudra, it has to work properly, means it has to work along with in conjunction with this particular mudra called Prana Mudra. Okay, so that's why any mudra to work properly, you need Prana Mudra, right? And Dhyana Mudra, friend. Dhyana Mudra means peace of mind. Okay, so Prana Mudra is what? To increase the pranic shakti, to increase the pranic energy in your etheric body or even pranamaya kosha. This Prana Mudra is very essential. Do it daily. So any mudra, even you don't do all the 6 mudras also, I advise to do only Prana Mudra in a regular basis. Wherever you are going, just put like this. Just put like this and keep your hands like this. That's all. So you keep getting pranic energy. Then what happens? You'll be so active, no disease will come to you. Okay. Dhyana Mudra for peace of mind. The Sunya Vayu Mudra, especially friends, Sunya Vayu Mudra, if you do, so what will happen is, so after the meals, if you do this, then gas problems or all other, any kind of other issues will be resolved if you do this Sunya Vayu Mudra. Okay. After the immediate meals, what happen? You feel like so heavy, right? So then you do this mudra. It will avoid that, you will come out of that heaviness, my dear friends. Okay. So this is what about the mudras, my dear friends. All the 6 general mudras we came to know. So please keep practicing these mudras on a regular basis. Okay. So Mahavatar Foundation, thank you one and all, and namaste to all of you. And please subscribe Mahavatar TV and our YouTube channel, and share and subscribe with all other your near and dear ones. Okay. So thank you very much.